FICO score is a measure of credit worthiness that lenders use to determine whether to extend credit and at what terms. The score ranges from 300 to 850, with a higher score indicating lower credit risk. While no magic number guarantees approval, a score of 750 or above is generally considered excellent. So how can you get a perfect FICO score? Hello everyone, welcome to Success Wisdom channel. In this video, we will talk about guaranteed step-by-step guides on how to get an 850 credit score. If you are new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. Many people think it's impossible or takes too much time, but I'm here to tell you that anyone can do it with the proper steps. So sit back, relax, and let me take you through this easy guide. The number one step to getting an 850 credit score is understanding what goes into your credit score. A good credit score is important because it allows you to borrow money for major purchases, such as a home or a car. It can also help you lower interest rates on loans and credit cards. A few things go into your credit score, including your payment history, the amount of debt you have, and the length of your credit history. You can improve your credit score by paying your bills on time, keeping your debt levels low, and using various types of credit. Following these tips can improve your chances of getting an 850 credit score. Number 2. Check your credit report for any errors. Checking your credit report is one of the most important things you can do when working to improve your credit score. By law, you are entitled to one free credit report from each of the 3 major credit reporting agencies annually. This report will show you all the information used to calculate your credit score, including your payment history, current balances, and credit utilization. If you find any errors on your report, you can dispute them with the credit bureau. Correcting these errors can have a significant impact on your credit score. In some cases, it may even be possible to have damaging information removed from your report entirely. Paying your bills on time comes number 3. Payment history is the most heavily weighted factor in credit scoring models, so even one late payment can significantly impact your score. Thankfully, you can do a few things to ensure you never miss a payment. First, set up automatic payments for all of your bills. This way, you'll never have to worry about forgetting to make a payment. Second, make sure you always have enough money in your account to cover your bills. You can set up alerts that will notify you if your balance gets low so that you can avoid overdraft fees. Finally, keep track of when each of your bills is due and mark it in your calendar. By taking these steps, you can be sure that you'll always pay your bills on time and boost your credit score. The number 4 step to getting an 850 credit score is keeping a low balance on your credit cards. Most people don't know this, but one of the most significant factors in your credit score is your credit utilization ratio. This is the percentage of your credit limit used at any given time. For example, if you have a $1,000 credit limit and a $500 balance, your credit utilization ratio is 50%. The lower your credit utilization ratio, the better it is for your score. That's because it shows lenders that you are using a small portion of your credit, which means you're less likely to get into financial trouble. So if you're looking to boost your score, one of the best things you can do is keep your balance low. Aim for 30% or less of your credit limit, and you'll see a big difference in your score over time. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you like this video. Number 5. Don't apply for too many loans at once. Most people know that a good credit score is essential for getting approved for loans, but many don't realize that applying for too many loans at once can hurt your score. When you apply for a loan, the lender will pull your credit report, resulting in a hard inquiry on your account. Too many tricky questions can hurt your score, so it's best to space out your loan applications. If you're planning on taking out of mortgage, car loan, or personal loan within a short period, it's best to apply for the mortgage first. Then wait a few months before applying for the other loans. This way, you can avoid having too many inquiries on your report and improve your chances of getting approved for the loans you need. Number 6. Use a co-signer if you need to. A co-signer essentially guarantees the debt, so lenders are more likely to approve you for loans in lines of credit. This can be a great way to get approved for larger loans like a mortgage or an auto loan. And it can also help you get a lower interest rate. Of course, there are some downsides to using a co-signer. If you default on the loan, the co-signer will be on the hook for the debt. And if you're late with payments, it will reflect poorly on your credit report and the co-signer. So using a co-signer is essential only if you're confident you can make the payments on time and in full. Using a co-signer can be a great option if you're looking to boost your credit score and get access to better loan terms. Make sure you understand the risks involved before entering into any agreements. Number 7. Step is never maxed out your credit card. An essential factor in your credit score is your credit utilization ratio. This is the percentage of your credit lines that you are using. For example, if you have a credit card with a $1,000 limit and spend $500 in 1 month, your credit utilization ratio would be 50%. The lower your credit utilization ratio, the better it is for your credit score. When your balances are high, it signals to creditors that you are a high-risk borrower. Therefore, it is essential to keep your balances low to maintain a good credit score. Finally, your utilization rate should be below 30%. One of the most critical factors in your credit score is your utilization rate, which is the percentage of your available credit that you are using. For example, your utilization rate is 30% if you have a credit limit of $1,000 and a balance of $300. Utilization rates below 30% are considered excellent. So aim to keep your balances well below your credit limits. How close are you to having an 850 credit score? Although this is an extensive guide on achieving an 850 credit score, it is not impossible. If you take the time to follow each step and are patient in your journey, you will be able to see improvements over time. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Thank you and goodbye!